Hello. Um, Today is the fifth day of the coding process or whatever. Yeah, that's what I named it. Yeah. So today, I think we're just making a design for what I want to make, like a personal game project. So I'm not entirely sure exactly how much recording is going to be in this one. I don't know how long it's going to be. We'll find out. Alrighty, so it's been like 30 seconds into the video for you. It has been a half an actually more than half an hour. It's been like 40 minutes since I started this. Yeah, we're just filling this in for this whole lesson. So I might as well record it. I don't think this is gonna count as a day though. This isn't gonna count as a day. I already have an idea of like the game that I want to make. I want to make like a little how I had the tank driving down the road hitting the barriers. I want to have like a truck or tank or whatever driving down the road, and you hit stuff and you got to make it to the end of the level and you can collect power-ups. You'll find out what it is. I got to fill this out anyways. I'm recording, right? Yeah, okay. You control A. All right, we'll go ahead and have multiple things. Car, tank. You can select which one. I don't know. In this, we're gonna find out what this word means. Um, an exercise. Video games. Whoopsies. Video games. Um. Okay, so I think it means from like sort of like from the top. I think I don't know. What is it? What is it's like a from the back of the car. Back view. Where user input S and D make the player, I don't know, move down a road. Yes, this is a word, trust me. During the game, types of objectives, there can be stars that you have to collect. Sure, why not? 3 stars, you complete a level, you get 3 stars. I don't know. The stars can types of objectives. Um there's gonna be power ups, so I can say power ups. Oops. Power ups will appear from I don't know. They'll just be there. It's not gonna be like luck, like they spawn randomly. They will just be there. Power ups will appear. Areas of the screen power will appear in hidden areas. Maybe. He says unsure. Did not mean to press that whatsoever. He says completely unsure. All right. And the goal of the game is to. Don't delete all of that. Of the level. level. There will be sound effects. I got the hiccups. Effects. Whoopsies. When are vehicle. Oh my god, I spelled it right. I didn't think I was gonna spell it right. When the vehicle starts moving, vehicle starts moving, and a power up is picked up. Particle effects. Smoke. Or is that? It's not called a smoke. It's exhaust. I don't know how to spell exhaust. Exhaust. Eggs. That's not how you spell exhaust at all. How do you spell exhaust? Exhaust? That looks right enough. I know what it means. Exhaust. Now I have to look up exhaust. Car exhaust. Ah, that is how it is spelled. All right. Vehicle. Exhaust for. Oh, I put for instead of from. Exhaust from the vehicle. And I don't. That's it. Just one thing, but and R X. That's not how you spell particle. Oh, particle explosion. Pick up there. All right. Oh, go away. There will also be description of any other special effects or animation in the project. Also be, I don't know, something that still that app and cross and that's not how you spell finish, and I know that. Finish line. It looks so wrong. The finish on when you cross the finish line. Also be something special that happens. I wanted to put something else there, but I forgot. Oh yeah. I want to put and the wheels spin. And it spin. All right, cool. Also I put car, I want to put truck. So I remember I want it to be a truck. Truck. Did I freaking spell it wrong again? I did that like bunch earlier in one of these other videos that I made. On the wheels spin. All right. As the game progresses, I don't know. It depends on if I'm gonna make more levels. If I'm gonna make more levels, which I think I am, because the first one can just be like a straight ride or something. Presses. Harder. I don't know how they'll become harder, but they will, making it effective gameplay, making it take longer beat each level. Um, the reason I want it to be that is because there's gonna be a timer, and the whole thing is gonna be trying to get as much the fastest time you can. That's the whole point. That's what the power ups are gonna do, is they're gonna make you um go faster or something like that. I don't know. But level. Yep. The levels will become harder, and there can be like spike traps or something. I don't know. Something that will make the car like go boom or something. Will make it stop. And there will also be a description of any other gameplay mechanics and their effect on the game. I'm gonna stick with there being spikes for now. It might change from spikes to something else, but it will also be spike spikes. That's how you spell spikes. How you spell spike? Spikes that I am so smart. I know how to spell like all of the words that stop the car from stop. No, I'm gonna put vehicle. Stop the vehicle from moving. Then we actually can have a game over. And what was I just? Oh yeah, mud that slows the car down. I want to get started on this project like right now, but I don't think that's what the how this thing is set up. All right, the timer. Yes, the timer. Oh, it's. I don't need to write that. Will increase um whenever the game runs. Game. Game. Stop it. Game. At the start of the game, the title. I don't know what it's gonna be called. Uh, uh, I don't know how to spell banana. Banana. Banana tank. And the game will end once beat all the levels. Any other notes about the project that you feel were that you don't feel were addressed in the above? The power up will be um the speed uh I don't know. I'm trying to think of one, like what would I name the time being shaved off? That's what I want to. It's going to be like minus half a second or something, or minus 1 second. Probably half a second. Minus. Okay. Whoops. Seconds. And what else? Um, we can put a bad power up in there. Why? I don't know. To mess you up. Because then there could be paths that, oh, you chose the wrong one. And we'll name it warp. And we'll go ahead and press enter, enter, enter. Then we will, speed is going to be blue, so we're just going to go ahead and blue speed. I want it in all capitals, speed. And then we're going to go ahead and change it back to black, speed. Oh, that was the wrong button. Did it go back to blue? No. Shift those. It did go back to blue. All right, speed. At the vehicle speed for a short time. All right, cool. Speed will do that, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and copy these ones. Well, I can spell warp, but all right. And warp's gonna be purple because, well, I don't know. Warp seems like it should be purple. That color purple? Sure, that looks good to me. I'm also realizing that I changed that to black, but like all of this is not black. That's fine, doesn't matter at the moment. What am I doing? Oh yeah, what's minus 5 seconds gonna be? I don't know, like just white. But I can't put white, so just black. Minus 5 seconds. All right, what color is this? Color. Okay, so I think it's this middle one. So we're gonna go ahead and select that one. Or, just double select black, whatever. Okay, so it's slightly lighter, it looks like. But the darker one is slightly darker. Whatever, doesn't matter. Oh, minus 5 seconds. I spelled that right. Okay, I was gonna say, if I spelled that right, that would have shocked me a very large amount. Warp. Back. Start. All right, there we go. Features, those are what they are. Yeah. Project timeline. No, thank you. I don't think I'm actually going to write a timeline. It's gonna tell me to, but I don't think I'm gonna write a timeline until I actually start a project because of reasons. That is all. All right, time to watch the other tutorials now. Yeah. All right. All right, so I changed my mind about not filling out this project timeline. I'm not going to put dates in it, but I am going to write down the milestones so I have something to work off of. Just because like I want to be able to like know what the heck I want to do first and things. I don't need to explain myself to you. No one's even gonna see this. Doesn't matter. What do we want to do first? Well, we're probably going to want to get scene. Get the scene. How do you spell scene? Scene. I don't know why I was trying to put seats. Scene and the cam. Camera. I don't know how to spell camera. Camera. Scene and camera. Um. I forgot what I was doing. What am I doing? I just need like the spinning thing on the screen right now because I have no idea what I'm doing. Scene and camera. Scene and camera. What? Oh yeah, setup. Scene and camera set. I want them like set up, like first level and the camera set up. We'll go ahead and go milestone 2. We'll go. Well, actually, we'll go see. We don't need the camera set up yet. We'll go ahead and put camera setup down here. And we'll get rid of that. We'll put scene and vehicle. Scene and vehicle set up. Camera. I'm going to put vehicle. Oops. Vehicle control. Vehicle controls. And camera setup. All right. And then what do we do after we set up the vehicle and the controls? Probably um what are we going to want to do first? We probably need some level like a level or two built first before we can input an end, like a finish line. So I guess build that level. And this doesn't have to be the first level. It can be whatever level it ends up being, but I'm going to need a level to like base stuff off of. Build a better level and a I'm going to do level. You can save the level end for a build a better level and someone came in my room. All right. Build a letter bevel. Build a letter bevel and a. Oh, do we want to put a power up in? Because I feel like the power up wouldn't be too hard to put in, but I'm not voter yet. I don't know. We'll go ahead and say power up. And a power up. Build build a better level and what's it called when you I don't know. And put in a power up. All right. And remember, since I'm not putting dates, I don't need to do all of this on the same day. If I am able to do like these three things, those two things and this on one day, then I can do like the camera setup and this on another, or I could do all of this on one day or whatever. Like there's right now I'm not stressed for time, so I'm fine. And this is just a very, very rough draft. All right, after I have power ups and a better level, I probably will want to. Uh, I want to put spikes in. All right, put spike. That. Why do I keep spelling that wrong? Spikes in. Put spikes in. Well, actually, we'll say put mud in first. Put mud in and put. Don't capitalize that. Put I stop spelling that wrong. Spikes in. Put mud in and spikes in. I guess that also includes the game over. But we'll go ahead and put the game over. Put game over screen. If I can spell it right, that's scream. Ah. Put game over screen in. And finish in. Cool. The I guess feature on the backlog, not a part of value product. Levels. Someone walked in again. Or levels. What else? Level selector. I hope that's spelled right. I don't know if it is. Level selector and I also want to add another one of these, but I don't know how to add like another one of these. So I'm just gonna write 6. Wait, I can do this. I know how to do this. Tab right here, and then go like this, and then hit tab. No, Jesus. Apparently, I don't know how to do this. Whatever. That. Enter. Shit. Put something down. Hit enter. Hit tab again. There we go. Except I want it to be these. And actually, no, I don't want this. I changed my mind. Whatever. Yeah, that too. 6. Bam. What was I gonna? I don't even remember what I add now. Put finish screen in. Well, now I don't remember. That's fine. This works. Oh, all right. I'll be back. 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 Yeah. Oh, okay. God damn it. I remembered this and I was gonna write it down or type it down, but I don't remember it now. So whatever. All right. So what we're gonna do this time is first make sure OBS is recording. And then we have to make a project sketch. So we have to sketch what our game's gonna look like or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, and they said to use like shapes and stuff like that, like like the already designed shapes to label your things. Be like, this is rock, this is tree, this is arrow. They see, I think it'd be funnier if I just drew everything. So that's what I'm going to do. Since I'm not good at drawing and I'm using a mouse. All right, so we're going to use a box to represent the truck. We're going to just call it car because that's easy to spell. Car. We'll go ahead and add the front of the truck. I don't know what the hell this is. This is how trucks work. All right. I think I'm just going to start over already. Why is that so small? All right, so we'll go ahead and just draw it from like the side view. Side view truck. This is like a semi truck, by the way. I don't think I ever specified that. Jesus Christ, this truck looks amazing. I never knew I was such a good artist. I don't. This is how semis work. Go ahead and add a window. This is great. T R U C truck. All right, that's truck. That's truck the truck. And it's riding on a road that's going to have an up, going to have a ramp up that he's going to ramp up. And at the top, there's going to be a power up. It's going to be a speed power up. This is what the speed power up's going to look like. Kind of like those speed power up things from Jetpack Joyride, if you ever played that. Okay, let's get rid of that one and that one. All right, let's try this again. Let's try and make this look better. Still looks like shit. Jesus Christ. I was I didn't I didn't think it was gonna look this bad. All right. Okay, hold on. I might just use one of these shapes. No, I can't use the shapes. That's against the rules. All right. We'll just go ahead and not outline them and just go ahead and go like this. All right, boom. The 3 arrows, that's the power up right there. And then there's more road that he lands on. And back here, there's spikes. So that if he doesn't make the jump, then he hits the spikes and loses. And there's... Oh, I remember. I'm just going to write. For now, I'll expand on that in... Whoa, stop doing that. I'll expand on that later. And then we're going to add boxes. 10 out of 10 boxes right there. All of these lines are so straight. Bam. Boxes. We boost right into them. Go, whoa, bam, hit the ground. Then goes like bam, bam, right through the boxes. And then he hiccups. And then, and then he gets through the finish line. Which is just going to be like a big checkered thing. But, you know, I could just go like this. Like this. Chow. 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 Bam, you see that? Look at these amazing, this amazing checkered board. And then we will go ahead and use the fill tool because that's not cheating. Please fill. Fill. Thank you. All right. Whoops. Oh, apparently that's one space. You know, that's fine. Because I was filling the wrong ones. Anyways, no, I wasn't. Whatever. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. I work for like the big art companies. I'm a professional artist. Are there even any like big art companies? I don't even know. Go ahead and add a solid line, make that a solid line. All right, now get the fill tool again. Isn't this so entertaining to watch? Bam. Right. Put an arrow right here. Put an arrow right there and right ish. Finish. Bam, perfect. Then right here we got box boxes. And then we got oh Jesus. All right, we got by what is that? Bikes. All right. Boom, look at that. Look at this amazing drawing we have right here. You can completely understand what's going on in this level. We got trucks starting down here. He goes, I was about to say chugga chugga, but that's a train. Goes up the ramp, hits the speed boost, bam, goes, smashes through the boxes, and good, bam, goes to the finish line. That's all. That's all there's gonna be. Save it. All right, what's it called? What's this called? Why is it in that file? That doesn't matter. I'm gonna cancel this save and I'll start the. Uh, give me a second. All right, I got it in. It's it. Yeah. All right. Yeah. This is banana tank because that's the name I gave it for now, even though there is not a single banana or tank in this. Alrighty. And what I was going to add were boxes, like add um bo- box. Collision. I know that's not spelled right, but I couldn't care less. Collision. Build boxes, add boxes with collision, and build them up. I don't know, comma. We're gonna have E stack high 3 stack high boxes. We're gonna have pyramids. I have no idea how to spell pyramids. Pyramids. Nope. Pyramid. I was close. Stack high boxes. Pyramid. pyramid stack boxes, pyramid stacked boxes, and others. I don't know what we're gonna add yet. This is gonna go in the backlog. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and just like go ahead and Control C, Control V, and Control V, Control X, Control V. Please keep text only boxes with collision and build them up in the levels. We stack high boxes, pyramid stacked boxes, and others. That works with me. We're going to keep that 6 there in case we end up wanting to add anything else. But I think that is it. I'm going to go make sure. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So I did say in the beginning of this that this wasn't going to count as a day of the coding process, but I think it's going to because I simply want it to. Yeah. All right, cool. Bye.